The Medela Freestyle hands-free double electric breast pump offers the convenience of hands-free pumping with its portable and wearable design, making multitasking easier for busy moms. Designed with anatomical precision, the Freestyle's collection cups ensure maximum milk flow without causing localized compression, which enhances comfort during use. Each collection cup is lightweight at 76 grams and is designed to fit discreetly in a bra, providing comfort and discretion for mothers on the go. The pump's simple design, featuring only 3 parts, ensures easy cleaning and assembly, adding to the convenience for mothers who are always on the move. With automatic tracking features, the Medela Family app helps mothers plan and monitor their feeding schedules, offering a modern approach to managing breastfeeding routines. The package includes essential components such as collection cups, breast shields, a complete tubing set, and a power adapter, providing everything needed for efficient pumping.